What's going on, traders? I'm going to do a little trade review today of a short that I took based off of a market profile chart. I think these will be very useful to those of you who are not always around on mic while I am calling these trades. And this is a trade that I did called today. We had a member named Praiser Guy take the same trade and win on the trade as well. And so this was a trade that I'd like to review and show you the way that I played the trade and what I was looking for on the trade, and then also just what everything looked like through my eyes in real time and why I took the trade. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the TPO chart, and this white line right here, up here at 4074, was extending into the current session. When it extends out from multiple prior sessions ago without ever having been touched, it's called a naked time point of control. And so that's labeled as a TPOC, right? Time point of control. And it's naked, so I label them as naked because when they have never been touched before, I call them, some people call them virgin, some people call them naked, but I tend to call them naked time point, or NTPOC. So the reason I don't use the terminology virgin point of control is often you have a virgin volume point of control, which would mean it's a VPOC, right? So if I say N VPOC, it rolls off the tongue a little more easily. Okay, so why I was interested up here at 4074 is because of this naked time point of control. And why naked time points of control are powerful is similar to BBWC. When you have a consolidation that occurs over a longer period of time, traders who are positioned there have more time to think about their trade, and therefore the market has memory. Market participants, where a lot of time has been spent, they remember that. And so I see those points where price spent a lot of time and volume as areas where you may get a reversal. So that is the reason that I find time point of controls quite valuable later on when a market rallies or touches them again for the first time. Okay, so let's go into the volume bars chart. I was looking at this volume bars chart, but mostly I was looking at my DOM, glancing up and recognizing that we were very close to this naked TPOC. So let's switch over to that replay chart. And so the time that I took the trade was right up here, 12:35. So I'm going to go ahead and play this at 1x speed. And keep in mind, we know 4074 is the NTPOC, and so that's the area I was watching. So as price moves up, now let's watch the tape. Let's keep in mind that price has just made an absolute vertical move. These are only 500 volume bars, and this market is moving straight up with hardly any pullbacks. So I'm considering, where would I want to take a short scalp? Where's a point of resistance? Okay, so you can see up here at 4075, we have some liquidity, and let's see what happens here. We go into this area that has liquidity, 4072. So let's go ahead and take a look here. All right, so the market's ripping up. Not a lot of size. Market's just ripping. A little bit of absorption here, right? You could see it here. So some small size, so some players definitely absorbing ahead of this here, but nothing totally out of the ordinary. Here's where it gets interesting. You see that spike up met with selling? Okay. Now let's watch. All right, some size coming through. The market is still grinding up. We're making a little sideways consolidation here. We're building volume. So we got an inverted Christmas tree on a short time frame, basically a top with taper at the bottom. Now keep in mind, you have this naked time point of control right up in this area here. All right, let's watch the order book. And right when we hit this zone here, all right, I'm going to pause it. You see how the order book fills in here? What happened in this area on the MBO is that a whole bunch of 10 lots came in to bid this market as this thing broke out of this flag. But um, it is on a higher time frame resistance, and we don't see it because the MBO is not reviewable, but this was all filling in. The size is getting a little bit bigger, right? At each tick, you could see 98, 46, 27, so a little bit bigger size. And I was looking to scale into 4075. I actually didn't fill everything that I wanted to fill. We'll see here the nature of price action starts to shift, right? A little more size comes in, and this is what the sellers use to take profit, and we'll see it here. Let's go ahead and hit play. And this is the point I said I'm getting a little short here, right? You see the price really moving up and down, a little bit more size. You see the 127 get lifted right at 73.75, a lot more size. So interest to immediately sell, essentially, you see these bubbles come in right here at this level. And what makes this different is the higher time frame that you're playing against. And so this one paid actually very quickly. I'll show you here. A little bit of size now coming in on the book, 383 contracts, and the market just runs. And the contracts followed the market down the book, followed it down, and I was able to take profit in this zone right here because of what I saw potentially here was a support area off of right here. So this is actually where I took profit. So, you know, I canceled my orders that were resting here after the market pulled back. And, you know, if it went up anymore, I didn't want it. It was sort of a first touch. That's counter trend, right smack in the middle of, you know, an uptrend. And, you know, as we know, we went much further up on this day. And so I can show you the exits as well as the entries for this trade. Okay, so this is essentially the trade, the same trade, right? You could see I took 73.75, I took 74, and I got filled the very top tick, which in real time I was actually pretty excited because I felt I may have gotten the top tick for the day. And as it quickly moved down that fast on support, I took profit for all of this. And this was more than just one lot. So this was, for me, a really nice trade. Squarely counter trend. Anyway, just want to share with you guys why using a market profile, aka TPO, naked time point of control, can be incredibly useful. Just for a little scalp trade that paid me very well. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to trading with you guys in the room.